Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to take the screenshot in this device. So in this video let me show you 6 different methods to take the screenshot. The first and the basic method, tap on volume down button and the lock button. You can see the screenshot is captured. First go to the page where you want to take the screenshot, then tap on lock button and the volume down button. You can see the screenshot is captured. This is the first method. And the second method to take the screenshot, just swipe down using your 3 fingers. Simply you can see the screenshot is captured. So to enable the 3 finger screenshot, go to settings, then tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. So we need to enable this one. 3 fingers swipe down and swipe down using 3 fingers. You can see the screenshot is captured. And the third method to take the screenshot, just go to the notification panel. So here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. Simply again the screenshot is captured. This is the third method from the notification panel. You can see the screenshot is captured. And the fourth method, using the accessibility shortcut menu, you can take the screenshot. Now you can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. Tap on this one. So here you can see some shortcut. Go to next page. Here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. Simply the screenshot is captured. So to enable accessibility shortcut menu, go to settings, then go to additional settings. Tap on accessibility. Tap on accessibility menu. Turn on this one. And the fifth method to take the screenshot, using the assist bowl. Here you can see this is the assist bowl. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one. Simply the screenshot is captured. To enable the assist bowl on this device, again go to settings. Tap on additional settings. Tap on assist bowl. You need to turn on this option. After turn on the assist bowl, you can see the mode of operations. You can see here for the assist bowl, gesture operation and tap menu. So here I select the option tap menu. Tap on the assist bowl. Tap on screenshot. And the sixth method to take the screenshot, using the smart sidebar, you can see at the right side of this area, you can see this is a smart sidebar. Swipe inwards the smart sidebar, you can see the option screenshot. Tap on this one, the screenshot is captured. So to enable the smart sidebar, go to settings, tap on special features, scroll down. Here you can see the option smart sidebar. We need to enable this option. Swipe inwards, tap on screenshot. Simply the screenshot is captured. So in these 6 different methods, you can take the screenshot in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.